a lot. Genius. Guys, listen, I'm a systems person, and I'm so excited about this next launch. I believe that with this new mobile app called MDC Genius, we're going to be able to flood the internet and social media like we've never been able to before as a company. And before I demo the app for you guys, I'm going to play a quick video. So let's go right into a video. How about that?
Ask any professional network marketer and they'll tell you the keys to fast, sustainable, duplicatable growth are marketing tools and systems. Tools that make it easy to share the opportunity and systems a brand new person can follow. Tools that will change your business. Tools that normally cost up to $50 a month. But now, for the first time in the industry, MyDailyChoice brings this state-of-the-art tool to you for free. Introducing MDC Genius. Available for iPhone and Android, MDC Genius turns your smartphone into a prospecting machine. Share professionally produced videos with a click of a button and track when and how much your prospect watches. No more sending people to a generic website where you can lose them, because every time you share a video through MDC Genius, it links directly to your MDC replicated page where they can purchase or join immediately. A powerful tool, but even more important, a system. Because now every affiliate can download the app and prospect their warm market immediately. Imagine an affiliate new to the business, excited to start growing their business, but still learning, can now prospect their top 10, 20, or 30 prospects in a matter of minutes. That creates action. That creates momentum. And that creates sales. MDC Genius is the tool for building this business with beautiful videos, shareable social content, corporate event information, affiliate training, and other great resources. Don't delay any longer. Download the app and get started today.
Wow.
Wow. So excited. Did you guys hear that it was free? I know our last app was $9.99. Well, the new app is free and it's new and improved. So super excited about that.
Yeah, I couldn't be more excited about this one, Jen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pull it up on the screen here. Can you see this, Jen? Maybe just throw I think Jen muted out. Maybe just throw a comment. Throw a comment in the chat if you can see my phone.
We can see your phone.
Okay, cool. All right, so guys, listen, like Jen said, I mean, look, our philosophy as a company has always been free tools, free marketing systems, building a ton of value. And with our previous app, our previous vendor that we used for the app, we weren't able to do that because of how expensive it is per user for people to have access to the app. So we went back to the drawing board and we said, okay, how as a company can we give people a tool right on their phone that they can use where it doesn't cost them anything to use and it can turn them into a prospecting machine? And I believe that our marketing team, our technology company that we partnered with, I believe they nailed it with this app. And here's the other thing I want to say. The fact that this is free is a huge deal because now literally every single person that you bring into the business can download the app, get access to it, and start to use it, to build their business. So they can still use the marketing system. They can still use all of the other tools, but this is just another way where you can get everybody in your team to start sharing important content that will help them in building their business. So I don't have a ton of time on this call. I think what we'll do is probably Tuesday, we'll do a more in-depth training of the app, but I'm going to just do a very quick overview of the app and give you guys an idea of the features, how you can download it and get access to the app. Just so you guys know, it's not updated yet in the App Store because we're literally launching it and updating it today. So there is a website that you can go to, which is I believe it's getmdcapp.com. Let me just confirm that. Yes, it's getmdcapp.com. You can put in your phone number. It'll shoot you a message, and then it'll give you a hot link that you can go download the app. So if you want to do that, you can do that and start to play around with it. So this is the home screen. This is what it looks like. And there's basically, there's 6 main recruiting tools that are on the home screen. You've got the share option here. You have prospects, 3-way call, events, back office, and alerts. So here's what share does. Share basically opens up all of the content that we have in our business. That's videos, that's documents, that's social media assets, all of the information that you would want to share with or post, to prospects, you can do through the share option. Prospects is where you're going to find your contact management. So as you're using this app and you're developing new prospects, all of that is tracked under the prospects section of the app. There's also 3-way call, which is kind of a neat feature where you can enter in a username of somebody that has the app, and you can request 3-way calls as needed. And then there's events, which shows you all of the events that are going on in My Daily Choice so that you can plug into it. And then there's back office and alerts. So let's go through the share portion. Actually, one more thing I want to show you. Here at the top left, okay, there's a little menu right here. And if you click on contact, okay, hang on one sec. I got to hold my phone up in order to do this. Okay, if you click on contact, it's basically going to bring you to a page where you can send a message into customer service. So I just wanted to show you, this is where you find contact. So there's 2 messages, or there's 2 emails. One is going to be to the technology company, which is going to be for customer service, and then one's going to be to our customer service. So either of those you can use if you need assistance with the app. The other thing is training. So if you want to get access to all of our training videos that are posted in the back office, you can do that through the top left by clicking that little menu and opening up training. So as you can see, there's compliance guidelines, some of the recent product training that we've done. There's compliance training. There's our Tuesday weekly trainings that we've done as well. So all of that information is here. So let's go back to the home page. So share, there's basically 2 ways to share content. There's one-to-one marketing. So that's if you're trying to share one-to-one with somebody. And then there's one-to-many. So as you can see, this is our 4-step video tour right here. Okay, so the 4-step video tour is what we use in the tour right now. So the only way to really get access to these videos is through the tour. Let me show you an example of how this works. If I click the share button on, let's say, video 1, it's going to open up. The ability to send a message, and we actually pre-write the messages for you. So if you don't want to write messages, or you're not sure what to say, you can use some of these messages. Now, there's a couple ways to do it. There's a text message, and there's an email message, depending on who you're sending this communication to. So then you're going to hit on next, and it's going to bring you to a page where you can either manually enter a prospect, or you can go to your existing prospects, or you can click on this device thing where it'll pop up your phone, and then I could send something to Josh Genius, for instance, if I wanted. Okay, so there's a couple different ways to do it. So the new prospect manual entry would be like if you're out and about and you're meeting somebody. So you're out and about, you're meeting someone, and you want to put their information in so that you add them as a prospect. So just to give you an example, I'll put Bob Jones, and I'll put 1-800-555-2234 just as an example, and then I'll go ahead and hit next. next, and then see, it gives me the method that I want to send the message to. So there's a couple options. You can send a text. You can do email by phone. You can do Facebook Messenger, or you can do Telegram as well. Now, those only work if you have the app, those apps downloaded on your phone. Like if you don't have Facebook Messenger, it's not going to work. If you don't have Telegram, it's not going to work. But usually the main method is going to be sending somebody a text message with, with this feature. Okay, so let's go back. So that's one way that you can do it. So we've built this 4-step video tour sequence for you. So you can literally send somebody video 1, so you text them video 1, you follow up with the prospect, and then when they're ready to move to step 2, you can send video 2, you can send video 3, and you can send video 4. So that's an example of how you could use it to prospect. And this is just the 4-step video tour. There's also all of the videos that I showed you guys today on Zoom. You have the app video, so you can, once you download the app, you can share the app video with your team so that they can start downloading it. There's the loyalty rewards video that we showed you. The Sublime CBD bath bombs are in here. The Mantra essential oils. Some of the new tinctures are in here. Hair care. You can see the soft gels, science of CBD. There's a lot of great videos that you can share. Now, we talked about one-to-one and one-to-many. Well, one-to-many means using the post button that is on these videos. So the way that would work is if you click on post, it's going to open up, this little menu here. So you can, post onto Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. So if I click on Facebook, it's literally going to open up my Facebook where I can write something about this video. Okay, so I could say something like, "Have you guys seen this yet?" Just as an example, and I could hit post. And the cool thing about using this strategy is that if you do this on social media and somebody clicks on the link, you're now taking them outside of Facebook and putting them into your replicated environment that's all connected to your MyDailyChoice back office and your enrollment pages. Okay, and that's a key critical component, because if you're just posting content on social media, but people don't know how to get started, and maybe you're busy and people can't reach you, or whatever the case may be, this allows you to start directing content and directing people into your environment where it's all linked to your site. So this is a great way to use this portion of the app is the post. Now, it doesn't mean you want to just post. Jen will probably have some really good advice for you guys on how to post, when to post, and maybe we'll get into that on Tuesday. But you guys can see, all the videos are here under product videos. We've got the essential oils, high life travel, some of our events that we've done. We've got all of our testimonial videos in here. So maybe there's a testimonial that would relate with a prospect that you're talking to. And then there's the social media assets that we just showed you guys on the Zoom. So this is literally, all of these assets for soft gels, for, the topicals, for hair care. There's a ton of stuff back here that you guys can start using and, posting this content. Okay, more product images are back here. See all that, all the cool stuff that was on the Zoom. Opportunity images are back here. And then we've got some of our documents, resources. Here's the chakra collection. Here's the single essential oils, okay? And then here's high life travel. And then here's the enrollment link. So you can send somebody your MyDailyChoice enrollment link, or you can send them your HempWorx website. So this is how the share portion of the app works. And guys, I want to say that this is replacing the other app that we have. Okay, this is going to be the new app, and it's 100% free. There's no download fee. There's no maintenance fee. There's no monthly fee. You just need to be an active MyDailyChoice affiliate, and then you'll be able to get access to the app. So that's how the share feature works. But one thing I want to show you guys is the contact management, okay? At the bottom here, if you click the little people icon, it's going to take you into your prospects, okay? And let me show you guys how this works. So it's going to show you a list of all of your prospects. And one thing that's really cool is in the top right, you can filter and sort for your prospects. So you can actually filter by first name, last name. But the one thing I want to point out is recent activity, okay? If you sort by recent activity, you literally can figure out who of your prospects is hot, who's warm, who's not doing anything, who hasn't watched any of the videos. It's literally gonna rate for you. Here are your hottest prospects that you should be talking to now in order. And it's really cool how this technology works, where it's tracking. It's literally tracking all of their activity through the app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can send. I'm going to send a message out to myself so that I show up as a prospect, and I'm going to show you guys how it works. Okay, so I'm going to send myself a text, and here's the other thing you can do. You can set a reminder for when you should follow up with each prospect. So I recommend 24 hours. You could do 3 days, 7 days, no reminder, but really after you get somebody the information, you want to follow up pretty quickly after they've had a chance to take a look at it. So you go ahead and you hit send, and then what's going to happen is it's going to send. It's going to do the reminder, and it's going to send a text if that's what you chose. Okay, so I put that, and then I'm going to go back, and then what's going to happen is once your prospect clicks that link, they're going to show up in your prospect tab. Now I have only one phone that I'm using for screen share, so I can't click on the link. But what's going to happen is your prospects are going to show here, and then it's going to track all of their activity. Now in the bottom right, you can also click on your alerts, and your alerts is going to show you all of your prospect activity here as well. Now, one more thing I want to show you guys is the three-way call, okay? What you do is you click on Add New Helper, and what it's going to do is you're going to enter in their username. So once they have the app, you're going to enter in their username, you're going to hit Add, and then it's going to it's going to send them a notification saying, hey, you have somebody that wants to request a three-way call. And then once they accept that, they're now added into your three-way call list as a helper that you can at any time request a three-way call. And then we've got events here, so you can see upcoming events that we're doing as a company. And then let's see, Jen, is there anything else I should cover on this before we do like a deep training on Tuesday? Anything else you want to see specifically?
I think you covered the basics, and we're going to get, like you said, deeper into this training on Tuesday. But, long gone are the days where you need a laptop or a desktop to build your business. You guys can literally build your business from your phone, which is incredible. Like, yeah, it's a home-based business, but maybe now it's a beach-based business or a theme park-based business or islands of the world-based business. You guys can build your business anywhere because you have this app, this prospecting app, which is going to help you follow up and take control of your list. I love this so much. I'm so excited to hop on. Some of you guys are like, it's not working yet because we have to launch it. We're still on the webinar. We're going to launch it today. But yeah, I'm so fired up, and I can tell by the comments coming in that you guys are so excited about this app as well. So Josh, I'm going to hand it back to you. Thank you guys for hopping on and spending this time with us. We got anything else left for them, Josh?
No, that's it. And guys, I just want to thank you guys for plugging in. It's been a couple hours. So thank you guys for giving us your time. You can go to getmdcapp.com to get access to it. And all I would say is bear with us. We just launched this app. There's going to be a flood of people trying to download the app. So I know that our tech team is going to be working really tight this weekend on pushing the new products live, pushing the app live. So if you see something that looks weird, don't panic. We know, we get it. It's going to be fixed. But it's an awesome app. I can't wait to see it take everybody's business to the next level. So thank you guys so much for attending our second virtual launch. We'll see you guys on, let's see, we got one last slide here. Our Indianapolis virtual launch. Wait, come back. Saturday, April 25th. You can go to MDC virtual launch or virtualevent.com, mdcvirtualevent.com. Get registered. You can see how these virtual events work now and the type of information we put out there, the new product launches. It's all really exciting. I want to thank the leaders who participated in this event. I want to thank our corporate staff. I want to thank you, Jen, for helping lead the whole thing, and just really, really excited about the future. So thank you, guys.
Last thing, you guys, this recording will be uploaded to the MDC fan page. Go ahead and check it out there and start your watch party so we can get this exposure everywhere. Let's see if we can't beat 100,000 views. All right, that's your challenge for the day. Again, Josh, thanks again for having us all today.
Yeah, thank you, guys. We'll see you next time. Have a good one.
Bye, guys.